Sorry.
Hi. She does not know what to do, does she? She is giggling and she can't stop moving. No, but it's true. Look at that. You have not stopped moving. Hands on hips, hands not on hips. Turn around, put your hand over your mouth. Look at the other people, put your hand over your mouth. Look at them, put your hand on your head, cover your face. Stop moving, stop moving, stop moving, stop. No, she can't stop moving. Now she's turning, looking at me, clapping her hands, looking at it, covering her face, hands on her hips. It's a never-ending cycle of movement. I mean, really, you know, it's amazing that you can sit down and eat. You cannot stop moving. Oh my God. She's so nervous. You're not nervous? No, of course not. That's why you can't stop moving. You just, oh, okay. I apologize. I didn't realize that it was just something that you do. I'm not.